Hey everyone, I'm Karen and I run product at Comma Room. How did I first get into community? Well, it went way back into when I was a computer science student. I was learning the Java programming language, Python, functional programming languages. Then I was a machine learning grad student and I needed the community because I needed help. So I learned the power of community because I was one who benefited from it. And once I figured it out and asked a bunch of questions, then I can answer other people's questions. Then in my career, I was one of the first product managers on this C# programming language team, created all the tooling in Visual Studio for C#. And I got into community because of the necessity of it. When you are creating a programming language from scratch, there is no one else to help teach courses or answer questions or write books. So I needed to figure out how to build a community. I helped build the C# MVP program, the C# community, how to do job posts, how to write books. I wrote, a chapter in an O'Reilly book. And that taught me the power and the necessity that you need a community in order to have some products thrive, especially a programming language. I later worked on Azure DevOps and Visual Studio Online before the DevOps movement, and I learned about the power of community again, that it was a place where people help each other, but we're teaching people how to ship software faster. They were sharing different methods, everything from Scrum to Agile to pair programming to Kanban. And it was a place where ideas thrived and it led to better outcomes on how we build products today. My last stint was as a director of product at Google, and I ran all of the developer products for Android. And I'll say that Android developer community, y'all rock. I learned the power of community as one that actually shows your product where you should go. And so I became a listener. On Android, we were officially supported the Java programming language, and the Kotlin wave happened because the community wanted it. That's what everybody ended up doing, and we just listened. So I learned how to build better products by listening to where the community wanted to go. Products like Jetpack Compose, where we started from scratch, open source the project, and people showed us how they used it. And I just listened and built better products for it. So community has been my whole life, and it's been fun being part of it, and I hope to cultivate it.